Almost every time you purchase something, someone asks if you want to purchase a maintenance agreement or an extended warranty of some kind. If you're like me, most of the time the only thing you're thinking about when you're asked this question is that it's an additional cost and you don't really want to spend any more money, so you just say no. Sorry, appliance manufacturing companies, but if it's for things like a toaster, a basic microwave, or another type of disposable appliance, it's a definite no for me. But what about your car? Do you automatically say no to an extended warranty agreement on your car, which is essentially like a maintenance agreement? For me, no, especially when I think about what a basic repair costs on a car these days. And when I think about how much I rely on my car and really can't go without it. With an extended warranty, I can pay a reasonable amount monthly for the agreement, and when my car needs repairs, I know I won't have a large out-of-pocket expense I wasn't prepared for. The same holds true for your mission-critical communications equipment. You buy this equipment because it is essential to your company's or team's operation. Rest assured, we at Chicago Communications LLC offer maintenance plans for almost every piece of communications equipment you have. Plus, when you have a maintenance agreement with us, you are given preferred treatment on repairs and faster response times if your agreement is defined that way. Depending on the equipment or system you have, you can set up your maintenance agreement so you have advanced exchange as part of it. System monitoring and regular preventative maintenance checks can also be included, which can catch or prevent performance problems or outages before they occur. Whether you have one radio or a large nationwide communication system and network, we can set up a maintenance plan that's just right for you, which will give you the peace of mind and the service cost management you desire. For more information on the type of maintenance plans we offer, check out the video called Chicago Communications Maintenance Plans on our YouTube channel. You can also give us a call or reach out to us through our website and request a quote.